Hello and welcome to our channel. Today we're going to take a journey through the history of computing. From early mechanical devices to modern digital systems, computing has come a long way in the past few centuries. Let's explore how it all began. Section 1: Early computing devices. The history of computing can be traced back to the early 19th century, with the development of mechanical devices such as the difference engine and the analytical engine by Charles Babbage. These machines were designed to perform complex mathematical calculations and were powered by cranks and gears. Section 2: The birth of electronic computing. The invention of the vacuum tube in the early 20th century paved the way for the development of electronic computers. One of the first electronic computers was the Atanasoff-Berry computer, invented in 1937. This was followed by the development of the Colossus, which was used during World War II to crack codes for the Allied forces. In the 1950s and 1960s, mainframe computers became the dominant computing technology. These large, expensive machines were used by businesses and government agencies to process large amounts of data. One of the most famous mainframe computers was the IBM System/360, introduced in 1964. Section 4: The birth of personal computing. In the 1970s, personal computing began to emerge as a viable alternative to mainframe computing. This was largely due to the development of the microprocessor, which allowed for the creation of smaller, more affordable computers. The Apple II, introduced in 1977, was one of the first successful personal computers. Section 5: The digital revolution. In the 1980s and 1990s, computing entered a new phase with the rise of digital technology. This was marked by the development of the personal computer, graphical user interfaces, and the Internet. The introduction of the World Wide Web in the 1990s revolutionized the way we access and share information.